Hey there, it's Elizabeth, and welcome back to another flip through. Okay, so today we're gonna flip through finally the end of August. Okay, some pages are done, some are not done, some are going to remain undone. I don't know. Okay, we're in December, folks. All right, 2020 is almost over, and I want these books to be just done, whether they're actually done or not, if you get my drift. Okay, so this is where we left off. I work in an altered book. In case you didn't know, this year's books were all made from dictionaries that I got from Recreations by Brooke. I alter them by expanding the spine by 2 inches. I sew in 2 signatures, like junk journal style, and off I go with my creative journaling. If you want to know how I make my books and put them together, there is a permanent link below that shows you how I go about putting them together. So there you have it. Oh, and if you like what you see, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can get notified every time a new video comes out. Thank you very much. So this is where we left off, so let's just keep going, okay? So on this day here, this was a Wednesday. I did go to work. Imagine true peace of mind. That would be nice. Husband at the hospital yet again. He had a mesenteric Doppler and an endoscopy and colonoscopy, and it was National Soft Serve Day. These stickers I get, along with the date stickers, I get from Recreations by Brooke. Love her stuff. Little things, big moments. This was from... This right here, I was feeling overwhelmed. You know, I'm back at work. This is when I first started back to work after not working outside the home for 25 years. It was a huge adjustment. And during this time, we were still in teacher work week. So this, like, school hadn't even started yet. But this just really spoke to me. And this is from In Touch. It's a devotional that I get in the mail, and I will put the link below in case you're interested. It is a free devotional, and yeah, I really enjoy it. And this just spoke to me this day. Do you ever look at circumstances and see no possible way the Lord could bring something good from them? What benefit could come from illness, unemployment, or other difficulties? While we can't always understand what God is doing, there is one thing we can do. Trust Him to use our situation for His own glorious purposes. Yes. Then it goes on to talk about Paul. Yeah, so it meant a lot to me, and it was, the devotion, the 19th, it was the devotion for that day. So surround yourself with beautiful things. No walk. Went to work with Beauty Queen. I'm official now. On this day, I got my keys, yes, and my lanyard and my mask, yeah. So I was cooking with gas now. Figured out how to clock in and clock out on a freaking app. Like, everything is done with apps now. Oh my gosh. We're talking about, like, a person that's stepping out from the Stone Age, Like, oh my word. So yeah, I feel like I'm never gonna get used to this technology. It's killing me, yes. Okay, then I did the other teachers' bulletin boards as well. Made copies for the distance learners so we could give them, give their parents their stacks of papers for the first quarter. Yeah, and then after work, let's see. It was a really long day. After work, we ran errands. We went to Office Max, Marshalls. Oh, yeah. Man, we had gone shopping back here together at some point, my daughter and I, yeah, on this day, and I bought these really cute sandals, and I got them at Marshalls, and they forgot to take off the sensor things. Oh my gosh, was I ever irritated. So I had to go back to Marshalls so that they could take the stupid thing off my sandals. Then we went to Party City, and Big Handsome had set up the Wii in my room, and I haven't used it yet. And to this day, it's now December, and I still haven't used it. Yeah. He set it up I wanted him to set it up for me in my room, in my craft room here, because I couldn't, and I still can't, go walking in the morning like I used to, because when school first started, of course, the time was whatever the time was, and it was pitch dark outside, and I live out in the boonies. There are no street lights, you know, so it's pitch dark outside, and I wasn't gonna, you know, there are wild animals out there. I was not gonna go walking in the dark. And then even now that the time has changed, it still is, you know, relatively dark out when I get up anyway. I mean, I'm up at 5 a.m. or 5:30 or somewhere around there. Anyway, we had yummy lunch for yummy fish for dinner, and I watched Pretty Little Liars with Beauty Queen. So that was that. This day never got done. This is covering up the names of children. This was my to-do list, right? So I had to cut name tags. I had to do my daughter's Friday folders. I had to do the other teacher's Friday folders. I had to write out the desk names for both classes. I had to label books at the library. And I had to cut out the laminated paper, and I had to do the other teacher's bulletin board, another bulletin board. So it was a busy day. Now look, see these pages, nothing got done. I can tell you, and I've told you before, on this page here, I wish I could rip it out, but I can't. I suppose I could, actually. Yeah, I really could, because I could use this to cut letters out of or something like that. I just don't like it in here. In fact, I might do that. And then I would just tip in Big Handsome's birthday. Yeah, maybe I'll do that. Anyway, yeah, nothing got done on these days. I'm sure I was at work. Let me see what day. This was a Wednesday, Thursday, so this would have been a Friday. Was at work. This was a Saturday, and I might have gone out. We might have gone to the Keys. I have no idea what happened, but I know these paints came from the Dollar Tree, and I do not like them. They're horrible paints. I mean, what can you expect from a, you know, they're supposed to be acrylic paint, but, you know, they're from the Dollar Tree. So there's that. This here, I still have yet to do my husband's birthday, my beautiful husband's birthday, and I haven't even finished it yet. This is a, like a, what's it called? I don't know. Like a, my daughter made this for my husband to put on the surfboard down south. And yeah, because our house down there, we kind of call it Big Handsome's Hideaway, or I do anyway. And yeah, so that was really sweet. So I put that on this cute pineapple paper that sweet Allison from AJ's Inspired Life gave me. And then I just have to go back and do the journaling, okay? But it's neither here nor there, you know, in doing the flip, okay? So this was Monday. Oh my word. Yeah, Monday the 24th was the first day at school, okay? Oh my goodness. So there's on-campus learning and remote learning. Yeah. And I'm pretty sure, yep, I got a Happy Mail from Sweet Jacqueline and one from Tammy, and some of this came in it. It was really sweet. This packaging right here was like a little gift baggie that one of the students gave us. Isn't that sweet? It says, for a sweet teacher, hands down, this is going to be a bright year. So adorable. And then these little things, we gave all the kids a pack of goldfish, and it says, you're officially a 5th grader. And so those went on all the desks. This is myself and my daughter, or me and my daughter. I can't stand it when people say myself. I don't know why I just did that. Me and my daughter, or my daughter and me. Yes, I'm getting tired of being part of a major historical event. There we are, both of us in our masks that we are required to wear all day long. So this was the first day we were meeting the little gemlets. Okay, so, excuse me. This is a sweet little card that I got from Jacqueline in Happy Mail. It's very nice. Here, I never did my notes, okay? So here is the little note card thing that I did not do my notes on. I have my notes in my phone. And then this, I got a sweet Happy Mail from Tammy. And I saved her, you know, her little note. So that goes in here as well. Yeah. Our day, I mean, I can tell you, our day went well. It went fine. Again, huge adjustment for me. And yeah, we had a good day. And then this happened. Oh my gosh, yeah. I'm just telling you guys, like, I cannot even express what a struggle it was for me. to go back to work. And my daughter and I have very different teaching styles. Of course, when I taught in the public school, that was, you know, almost 30 years ago. Yeah. Well, between 25 and 30 years ago. And, but then I did teach in homeschooling classrooms and stuff like that. But, what a difference. What a difference. Yeah. I'm like, you know, I'm much more of a strict teacher than she is. She's very laid back. You know, and of course, you know, she's more, what's that word? Like relatable. She's more, I can't think of the word. I can't think of the word. But I'm not, okay? So it was a very huge adjustment for me. Huge adjustment, you know? Like, I'm not used to, like, kids, like, just talking out without raising their hand. I'm not used to them just, like, getting up without asking permission. That kind of thing, you know? So, oh, golly day. Yeah. Anyway, I got home. This was a long day. No, I'm sorry. This was a short day for me. This was a Tuesday. So the second day went okay. I leave at 1 o'clock on Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. So when I got home, I did do a journal with me. And then I was up at 5, got to school later. Yeah, like I'm usually at school at like 6:55, something like that. Yeah. So the drive-through was going smoothly, you know. Let me see. Oh, that was, I don't even know. Anyway, I got home. My daughter's boyfriend came over for dinner and I went right to sleep. Like I was so tired out. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I was so tired out. My feet are killing me. Yeah, it's just like I'm just not used to it, you know. And then on this day here, we had these to put on their desks with a new pencil. You are just right for my class, you know. I got this sweet thing in Happy Mail. This in Happy Mail. I got the like sandals. I wore sandals. Not that did not look like this, but close enough. This I got. Don't go through life, grow through life. I was really trying to grow. This was another rough day. Oh my goodness. Oh, it opens up even. Okay. I did not do the journaling on this card. I have my notes, but yeah, you're just tired and stressed. I mean, this was me. I was so tired. I was so stressed out. It was Eric's birthday this day. And then I had a video chat with Boo this day, which is Brooke. And oh my gosh, was that ever nice? Because I got to just like vent to her and oh my gosh. And then this meme right here, it says we go together like drunk and disorderly. It just cracked me up. I was like, oh my gosh, that has to go on the page. And then these are just, you know, things again. These are things that I get out of In Touch devotion, right? So it's just talking about tough times have a way of revealing our true nature. Yeah. So just if we let them, challenges can grow our faith. It was just, you know, I just needed to hear that and, you know who you are and it's enough. There's authenticity in imperfection. So yeah, I was seriously having a really rough time. And this, how I did this is, in case you're wondering, and if you're not, I'm going to tell you anyway, you know me. This is a window envelope and it's the inside of a security envelope, you know, that has a window. So what I did was I wrote out rough day on a sheet of paper and then stuck it to the underside of this paper, right? So that it showed through. And it's puffy. It's really weird because these pens are the I'll show you. They are these glitter pens that I get at I get these at the Dollar Tree, right? But now that they've dried, they're puffy. I don't think they're supposed to do that. I don't know. Anyway, this is how I was feeling this day. I was having a rough day. So it's probably good I didn't journal, but I have my notes so I can always go back. And then these days, again, I like, seriously, I just can't express how hard it was trying to get used to what needs to be done, when it needs to be done. I mean, you should see my phone now. Like, I literally have at least a dozen alarms on my phone that tell me, okay, stop what you're doing. You need to go out to do drive-through in the morning. Okay, stop what you're doing. You need to go next door because she's going live. Okay, stop what you're doing. You have to go back to your daughter's class because she's going live. Okay, stop what you're doing. It's, whatever. I mean, don't forget to clock in. I have an alarm. Don't forget to clock out. I mean, you name it, I have an alarm for recess time. I have an alarm for going back in after recess time. Oh, you guys. Oh, I was having a time and a half, okay? We did binge watch, thank goodness, Pretty Little Liars, okay? I did my best. I didn't get fired. I did cry. Gosh. And I was on the computer because I must have been uploading or something. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Yeah, and just these quotes, just trying my best to stay positive, right? Find your quiet place. Oh my gosh, slay your stress, get more sleep, find your calm. I had to go to the office this day for them to take my picture for the website. This is a pocket, so there's supposed to be journaling in there, and there's not. Again, I'm sure I have, notes in my phone. I just have never gone back and finished out the pages. I mean, I love how they came out. I really love how they came out, but I just haven't gone back to finish them up. And then this day here, what on earth? Harvesting back in time? I don't even know. I would have to look at my notes because I have no idea what this is about. Maybe we had a big dinner that night and oh, you know what? I bet my husband made chicken and egg noodles, and it's like Amish style food. And yeah, maybe that's what happened. And then I did 3 videos this day on Saturday, a journal with me and harvesting videos. And that was that. And that was on a Saturday, so this was a Sunday. I must have filmed, right? I must have filmed, didn't do anything else with the page, left it. Again, I don't know if I'm going to go back and finish it. I mean, we're at the end of the year, and let's face it, guys, if it's not done by now, come on, And I really want to start out the beginning of the year, like, fresh, And then here was my goodbye to August. Do not let the door hit you in the, what? Yeah. So, yep, it was stormy out. It was a Monday. Oh, and my grandmother, if you guys were wondering, I don't know if you were or not, but normally I call my grandmother on Mondays, and I had to switch it now to Sundays. So I call her every Sunday because obviously I'm at work on Monday. So back to school, we had a deluge at dismissal. It was horrible. And the lightning, oh my word. It was so close. Oh my gosh. Yeah, it was scary. And this pretty little flower here, paper flower, I got from Nicole at Relax Cut Glue. And I just thought it looked really cute there. It's a very rainbowy page. But yes, goodbye, August. And that is the end of this book. Oh, and it gets closed up like this and tie it in a nice little bow and put it on the shelf because I'm done. I'm done. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. August is finally done, and guess what? We are moving on to September, and we're going to do some flip throughs of that. So I hope to see you then. Always check back. Make sure you click that subscribe button if you like what you see, and the notification bell to get notified the next time a video comes out. Thank you so much for sharing your time with me. Again, I hope you enjoyed this flip through. Finally flip through August. Okay, so I will talk to you all real soon. Bye for now.